Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 2 lifestyle hacks that have made the world of difference to me, and I hope that they can help you too. If I had known about these ages ago, I would have bought them. They're such a good investment, and I hope you find these tips useful and then maybe you want to use them too. I can just tell you that I am not sponsored by any one of these particular companies. These are just items that I myself have found valuable in attending to my everyday life, and I think they could be helpful to you as well. Okay, let's get on and have a look at them. Hi everyone, and I'm here today to show you the best life hacks. I wish that someone had told me how good this Philips steam iron is. My goodness, I used to go through an iron a year, a normal functional iron, and then this is probably about 7-8 years old. And then I came across here, this one, I think we paid $500 and had $100 cash back, so $400 at the time from Myers here in Australia. And yeah, I've been happy and loving it ever since. A few things to notice: there are no dials on it to change settings because it doesn't matter what it irons, it won't burn. It adjusts itself, and that's the beauty of buying the top model in this particular range. It has a water container that just clips out like so. Pop it under the tap, fill it up with water. You could use distilled water, but I don't, and it's fine. Probably the only annoying thing is there is a decalc section on the side here, but in the new models they've moved it to the back, which makes it a lot easier to attend to probably every 2-3 months. Okay, so just looking at this shirt here, there is a transfer there, or a screen printed item. I can just go over top of that and it's not a problem. Okay, noisy, so it's using the steam now, so it's a bit noisy. Definitely gets a little bit muggy some days because you steam, but you know, it's a great thing. So transfers, not a problem. So you can iron all over them as much as you like. Materials such as this is silk, not a problem either. Don't have to change settings, works a treat. Silk, all good. Things like lace, I haven't changed the setting, same setting. Lace, I can run over lace, not a problem. Not a problem, I can run over lace, it's not going to burn. I don't know about you, I have had a dress that was lace and was burned by my sister. Thank you very much, Andrea. And for doing things like jeans, the best thing ever. You just have to do like one leg on one side and it's done. So one leg and it's done. You can do the other side if you wish for a super duper iron, but easy peasy. So if I were you and you were thinking about a great gift or an investment, I would choose the Philips iron. I have had no worries with it. The best time-saving device I've ever bought. And you know, if you have things like arthritis in your hands, it's not as heavy as a normal iron. The newer models are even lighter than this one. You know, you're not putting it up, you're not stomping it down. I watch my mother, she stomps her iron down to give it pressure. Arthritic hands, she doesn't need to be doing that. She could be using this iron. It's great. I leave mine set up in a spare room. It makes it easy just to turn on an iron. It takes 3 minutes to heat up and about a minute to iron whatever it is that you're ironing. So it's fast, it's easy, and it's time-saving. So if you think that you'd like one, save up. It's a great investment. Hi everyone. This is my number 2 best life hack, and I purchased it probably about 6 months ago now. It's a Robot Vacuum cleaner. I bought it on Amazon for $3.99. It is some brand that starts with X, Exomo or something like that. I'll include that in the link. It is rated about 5th now on Choice Australia, but for the price, it's only like rated at 70% effective cleaning compared to the top model, which was nearly $2,000 at 77%. So it's a pretty good buy. It works particularly well on hard surfaces and is really great for picking up pet hair. We have a cat. Anyone who molts even human hair, it's great for picking up just generalised fluff. Here in this house there's porcelain tiles. Even when they're clean, there's dirt on them. It's amazing how much stuff this actually picks up. And I didn't expect that it would do such a good job around corners and around furniture. I thought that it would bump into things and bump back out, but it doesn't. It just swivels around it. The important thing is to put all your furniture that's loose or able to be moved up on tables or up on benches, and definitely to make sure that any cables, like power cables, are not hanging on the ground, even that one, because he does like to eat them otherwise, and then you're in trouble. So keep all your cords up. Anything fluffy like blankets or throws need to go up off the floor. It will do an average job on your carpet, but it will still look great, and it will do an excellent job on your floors. So instead of buying an expensive stick vacuum cleaner, say Dyson, I decided I would get one of these, and I also got the Ryobi stick vacuum cleaner. So in all, I spent like $750 or something, and I got two things, one that does it by itself and the other one I can just run over for quick cleanups in the kitchen, in the laundry where the kitty litter is, and for any little bits near the front door. It's a quick stick vacuum, easily done. However, for the whole floor, and then going out, having the whole floor done, coming home and then washing your floor makes things a lot easier. This device talks to you. It will tell you
starting the cleanup,
what it's going to be doing. It tells you when it's flat and return to base. It tells you when it actually needs to have its filter changed as well. So initially our cat didn't like it in particular, just stood and watched it. I stood and watched it for ages. Because when we first got it, it was just amazing to watch. And there's something too about watching a device work. It's great. Anyway, apart from that, there is a vacuum filter inside that you can take out.
Removed.
And you can empty over a bin, of course. It just pops out like so, back like so. Put it back in, so it will tell you when it is full. You empty that.
Dustbin installed.
And then you close it, and then it will continue on.
Going back to the dock.
Doing whatever it's doing. And when it's empty or finished the cleaning, it returns to the dock itself. So, a great little investment. One I would recommend.
Paused.
And, if you're looking for something that's easy, you've got hard floors, because this is where this device excels in. You've got pets, you've got kids that crawl around on the floor. It picks up dust. It does a really good job near furniture and in and around corners. For the price, it's great. So that is my second best ever hack ever. So I hope you've enjoyed my 2 life hacks that have brought me so much joy, because it's time saving, and I hope that maybe you too can find some appliances or devices that can help you with things around your house, with cleaning, that make life simpler so that you can get to enjoy the things that you want to do, whether that's relaxing with a good book or magazine, playing with your kids, going out for coffee, all those sorts of things. So I'm just going to get to work now
Starting
and enjoy my time that I have spare. See you next week. Bye. Go to work, Robo. Very ambitious.